Hi, my name's Tom. We got this couch a little while ago, and we had some old pillows that were kind of beat up from our previous couch, had some stains on them, and we went out and we wanted to go ahead and get new pillows. But instead of actually buying all new pillows, instead, my wife went ahead and got these pillow covers, and they work great. So this is actually a cover on one of our old ugly pillows. And the way it works is there's a seam right here. You can barely see it. You can compare the seam to all the other sides. It's barely noticeable, but there is actually a little tiny zipper. There you go. It's a nice zipper, actually. And there you go. There's our old pillows. And again, these pillows are a little bit beat up. They have some stains on them and whatnot, but that's fine. We just kept them in here. We put them in the covers, and we go ahead and we zip it up. And there we go. These are actually washable, so that's nice. So if you do spill anything on these, if you do get stains on them, you can just zip them off, throw them into the wash without damaging the pillow underneath, without damaging all the stuffing and worrying about that. You just go ahead and wash them, take them out, dry them, put them back on. It's wonderful. We're going to do this with all of our throw pillows on all of our couches now because having covers is great. It's a quick and easy way to switch out colors or to switch out styles when you get new furniture without replacing all the old pillows again and again and again. It's nice and wonderful. This is nice and soft, by the way. It's kind of a neat pattern. It's ridges, but barely. You can kind of feel them. It adds some texture, adds some visual interest, I guess. But yeah, it's actually a very nice pillow or pillow cover. It's very smooth. It's very soft. It's nice to sleep on. But yeah, definitely, I really recommend these. These are great.